Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix overheating problem in phone 2a. So watch this video carefully and follow every step as I'm showing in video.